Welcome to iX-Plan. This demo shows how flight plan can manually be done using iX-Plan, flight planning system. The basic background information for creating the flight plan is a SRTM digital terrain model and a Google Maps orthophoto, both downloaded directly in iX-Plan. Click Select Active Sensor in the menu bar and choose the definition of your sensor. Click Construct Line in the menu bar, set the mean pixel size, preferred overlap and side lap. Draw the first flight line. Click Add Lines in the menu bar, add 3 flight lines to the left and 2 to the right by clicking on the first one. iX-Plan automatically generates the flight lines. You can extend or shorten them by clicking Modify Line in the menu bar and dragging them in the right direction. Give attention on the settings of height and azimuth. You can add a supplemental flight line by clicking Construct Line and drawing it manually. Now we have added 4 flight lines manually. You can renumber the flight lines by clicking Renumber and Tag in the menu bar, setting the first line number and drawing touching lines in the right order. Unselect the layer line labels when not needed. Select Place GC Point in the menu bar and place GCP points where preferred. Select Move GCP in the menu bar to move GCP points. First click to select the point and then click for the new position. You can control the overlaps by zooming in and switching on the overlaps between strips layer. To generate a GST color map, select Create Color Map in the menu bar. Then click Create Map for quality control on the right. The settings window is opening. Here you can define values and color for each level. The GSD map will be calculated as raster image. Choose the grid resolution. Select the placement for the legend in the map. Then give the layer a name and click Draw Map. For better view, give the layer some transparency. To make a control measuring, we create another new flight line. Zoom in and measure the distances between the points. They depend on the terrain. Use Measure Distance from the menu bar. Here we are measuring 268 meters. On the other side of the line we are measuring 143 meters. For a view in 3D you can export the flight plan as KML for Google Earth. Select Menu Project, Export to Graphics, Google Earth. Change the settings when needed. Google Earth opens automatically and shows the flight plan. By panning and zooming you can see the details. This KML file contains the flight lines, images with numbers, covered areas, side laps and GCP points. This is how a flight plan can be manually created in iX-Plan.